Today I'm going to be unboxing some new tools and bits of machinery that I have bought from Axminster. There we go. So this is the Axminster combined disc and belt sander. I'm replacing this with a 150 grit belt rather than an 80 grit belt. I think it's about time we put this thing to the test. Which also works incredibly well. So I've got this Excalibur tenon saw and it's 300mm in its length. So this is just to replace my old saw. Because the old tenon saw is about 10 years old. It's my dad's old one, and it is very blunt. Some satin lacquer. This is to finish the Union Jack, which will be uploaded very soon. And then we got some Chestnut Products food safe finish. Some abrasive discs, self-adhesive abrasive discs. So this is used for lathe turning, so it helps get an ultra glossy finish. So I thought I would give this a try and see what it is like, as I do watch the live streams of Miss Saban Smith wood turning. This is my Lathe paper clip for my project. 2 bottle stopper kits. The same type, just wanted to have a go at making some bottle stoppers. A bottle opener kit. This is a pen blank and it's got a really nice colour to it. So obviously, probably worked it out. I have also bought 3 pen kits. This is the 80 grit that I took off of the belt sander because I would rather have an 150 grit.